MarCom specialist organizations or marketing communication specialist organizations are one of the participant in integrated marketing communication process, just like advertising agency, media organization, collateral services provider. This marketing communication specialist organization category or these such organizations are one of the participant in integrated marketing communication process. The function of these organizations is to provide services in their area of expertise. Such organizations are also known as digital and specialized agencies. So these marketing communication specialist organization offers various type of services, and these organizations may be categorized into four different categories like direct response agencies, sales promotion agencies, interactive agencies, public relations firm. So these are the various roles performed by such type of organizations. Now we'll talk about these different types of subcategories or specialist organizations. Agencies that specialize in providing direct marketing services to their client, and the services offered by such direct response agencies are database management, direct mail program, research, media services, creative services, product services, production services, which is. So these are the services offered by direct response agencies. Departments in typical direct marketing agencies are like account management, creative, media, and database development or database management. Now we'll talk about sales promotion specialist. Agencies that specializes in developing and administering sales promotion programs. Such agencies or such organizations are specialists in implementing sales promotion programs, and the services offered by such organization are promotion planning, creative, research, design and production also. And they implement programs like various contests, sweepstakes, refunds, debate schemes, sampling and various sales promotion incentive programs also. So promotional planning, creative research, tie-in coordination, fulfillment, premium design and manufacturing, catalog production, context, sweepstakes management. So these are the various roles performed by such sales promotion agencies. Many of these agencies are also developing direct or database marketing and telemarketing to expand their integrated marketing capabilities. Public relation firm. Again, this is a different category of integrated marketing communication specialist, and these are the firms that develop and implement programs to manage the organization's publicity and image and affairs with consumers and public. So the roles are like strategy development, program planning, generating publicity, lobbying, managing public affairs, image portrayal, and damage control. So these are the important functions performed by public relation firms. Now we'll talk about interactive agencies. So just like different components or different agencies of integrated marketing communication specialists, it is again one of the important agency or important organization. Interactive agencies. These agencies are specialized in development and strategic use of various interactive marketing tools. The services offered by such interactive agencies are like development of strategy for internet and other interactive marketing tools, and interactive media creation also. Now, interactive media creation may include creating and developing websites, creating web banner advertisement, and developing digitalized content which may be in the audio format, video format, or animated format also, and developing, creating CD-ROMs, kiosks, etc. Information kiosks also. So interactive media is created by interactive agencies, and this interactive media may include website development, creation of banner advertisement, search engine optimization, mobile marketing, social media campaign, and digital media, etc. So We discuss about direct response, sales promotion, public relation firms, interactive agencies. All these are the categories or the types of marketing communication specialist organizations, and marketing communication specialist organization is a participant in IMC process. I hope this tutorial video was useful for you. Thank you.